Have you lost access to your World app account and want to restore it? Don't worry, here's the solution. First, open the World app on your device. You'll need to create a new account to get started. After creating it, go to the top right corner and tap on the Settings icon. Inside the Settings menu, again look at the top right corner. You'll see the Customer Support icon. Tap on it to open the support chat. At first, you'll be connected to a chatbot. Type your issue clearly and explain that you are trying to restore your old account. If the chatbot cannot solve the problem, you'll be given the option to connect with a real support agent. Once you're connected to a real person, explain your situation in detail and provide any information they ask for. They will verify your identity and then help you regain access to your account. In most cases, the process doesn't take very long, but it can depend on your specific issue, and that's all you need to do to restore your World app account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more World app tips.